if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares. Standing right.
Ooh. Hey, good morning guys. So welcome back to my channel, and today I've decided to go for plaiting. I want to plait my hair. I think this is coming after like 6 months without me plaiting, but I love it. It is soft, by the way. My hair is very soft. It is very nice. Just it has been giving me peace a lot. That's why I wasn't thinking of plaiting, but I feel like I want to enter a new year with plaited hair. So I'm going to do something simple, but guess what? So just because I don't want to use the combs that they use in the salon, I usually pack my things. Forgive the table, it is disorganized. So this is my hair my hair dryer back. So it's what I'm taking. I removed this because I finished using it and using these, so I'm not taking them. I'm just taking a few combs. These are things that wool that I'm going to use. I want to apply this. I want them to apply this on my scalp before they start, and I also want them to apply oil. It is remaining little. It is very little remaining, but yeah, I want also to apply this after plaiting. So I also have a few combs here that I'm taking. There is a small one. Yeah, these that are combs that I'm taking. I want them to use this because I don't trust those combs. You can get often a ruddy when you use those combs. They are not clean. Like everyone is different. So I'm also taking my charger because I'm going to be on YouTube, of course, when they are plaiting. Yeah, so this is basically the bag that I'm taking. I'm not going very far, and yeah, I organize my room when I will organize my room when I come back, because I removed the bed sheets and I'm going to put new ones. And guess what? itala yange yakubye, so I have to get new light because tomorrow I'm going to film. Actually, not only tomorrow, I have to film. I also wanted to film when I come back after the salon, but I don't know whether I'm going to get the light that I want because I want a bright one, but of course comfortable. And so that's what I'm going to be doing. It is currently 12. It is coming to 1, and I don't know how much time I'm going to spend there, but hopefully it's not too much. So yeah, my eyes, they're brown. They're not brown today, so yeah, we are good. So I also think I love this style. I love it. I just combed my hair, so yeah, see you in a minute, okay?
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay